A line graph connects data points with line segments. It helps to observe trends or changes over time. Let's see how to draw a line graph based on a table. First, draw the x-axis and y-axis and label them. The x-axis typically represents the change of time, here, the hours of the day. The y-axis represents what's being measured, here, the temperature in degrees Celsius. Next, scale the axis. Make sure the range includes all the data and that the intervals are equal. Finally, plot the points one by one. And connect the neighboring dots with line segments. Don't forget to add a title. Here it can be temperature on a winter day. And that's it. Let's look at another line graph to learn how to interpret one. First, check the two axes and the title. The x-axis represents the days of the week, and the y-axis shows the number of ice creams sold each day. This graph shows how ice cream sales change over the week. Now we can answer all related questions by reading the coordinates. First question, how many ice creams were sold on Tuesday? Looking at the graph, you know that the answer is 20. Next question, on which day were the most ice creams sold? Simply look for the highest point on the graph. It indicates that on Friday, the most ice creams were sold, 50. Final question, how many were sold on weekends? To find this, add up the ice creams sold on Saturday and Sunday, which are 50 and 30 respectively, totaling 80 ice creams. Sometimes it makes more sense to fit the dots with a smooth curve. Then, you have a curve graph. For example, to show the growth of a plant over time, the x-axis represents the week since planting, and the y-axis shows the height of the plant. This curve graph shows that the plant grows quickly initially, and then slowly levels off. Another example is running speed over age. It shows that, as a child grows, their running speed increases, reaches a peak, and then decreases as they age further. In summary, both line graph and curve graph show the relationship between two variables. Line graphs connect points with line segments, while curve graphs fit all the dots with a smooth curve. Line graphs are great for showing trends over time, whereas curve graphs are better for illustrating more complex relationships.